The Department of Education is confident it can deliver on President Aquino's promise in his State of the Nation address to end the chronic shortage of classrooms in the country. Anne Claire Nichols has that report.
What's in a classroom? It can spell the difference between sitting through class in the shade or squatting under a tree. The chronic shortage of classrooms in public schools is cramping learning among students. That is why if President Aquino had his way, all the 66,800 classrooms that public schools need will be provided by 2013. The Department of Education wants to face the problem head-on.
Brother Armin is very confident dahil kasalukuyan nating ginagawa yan. Mayroon tayong klarong strategiya para po mangyari yan.
Education Assistant Secretary Tonisito Umali says the department may even exceed the target of 40,000 classrooms by next year. Last year, there was a total of 17,998 classrooms built, while 29,223 new classrooms were programmed to be constructed this year. Umali sees no difficulty in providing enough rooms, especially when the education budget will get another 56 billion peso hike if the proposed 2013 budget is approved. Aside from classrooms, Umali says the additional funds will be spent for more teachers, chairs, textbooks, and toilets.
Yan pong suportang ipinapakita ng ating pamahalaang nasyonal sa ating kagawaran ng edukasyon. Kaya yan po ay napakahalaga. At kaya po tayo ay nananalig na lahat po ng mga kakulangan natin taon-taong dinadanas. Guro, aklat, upuan, toilets ay matutugunan na.
However, the Education Department has yet to determine the number of newly constructed classrooms as of first half of 2012. Nieves Edurice, who has been working as a teacher for 42 years, says it is only right for the government to prioritize the construction of new classrooms. She says the quality of education is sacrificed when there are too many students cramped in one classroom. Edurice says she handles more than 80 students in her classes when there are only supposed to be 40 to 50 pupils in one classroom.
Napakahalaga na mabawasan na. Kasi lesser contact point, lesser attention ang maibigay ng teacher sa bata. At lahat-lahat ng activities ng bata kulang ang naibigay na oras.
Umali says the construction of classrooms is ongoing, and he is confident that 66,800 more classrooms will be ready by the end of 2013. AC Nichols, Solar News.